Legal fictions and the personship construct. Ever wonder why your name is in all caps on your ID? It's not a typo. It's the mark of the legal fiction, a personship created by the state and mistaken for you. In commercial admiralty law, the state creates a personship, a legal fiction that parallels the living man or woman. This entity is then taxed, licensed, and regulated as if it were real. Recognizing the split between fiction and vessel is foundational to asserting one's true standing. Footnote: the person is a legal vessel, not the living man. Reclaiming your identity begins by separating the two. If you're tired of being taxed, tracked, and licensed like cargo, stay with us. In the next section, we chart how your legal name became maritime property, and how to reclaim command of your vessel. The Strawman illusion: who's really in court? From sovereign to ship, how the state rewrote you. The ghost vessel they made in your name. You're not the name on the envelope. Meet the fiction you've been mistaken for.